Welcome back, everyone. So today is March 10th and I am in my garden. It is Sunday. It's not super cold, but being that it's shaded back here, I wish I could move like apartments because I don't really get that much sun, but I'm working with what I have, so whatever. Hopefully in the summertime I'll get more sun, but today I'm going to plant some more stuff. I need to move some stuff around. Someone told me that I should plant some radishes, so I bought some radishes and I also bought some carrots. So I am going to try to plant some carrots as well. We're going to see what grows and what I can actually grow. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started with moving stuff around. First, I'm going to move these garlics and onions that are actually growing and put them under the longer raised bed. And then I am going to, oh, maybe I should put it, no, I'm not going to put it on the table. I was going to put it on the table, but I'm always on that table, so I'm not going to do that. It is a little chilly, but not super chilly, so we're going to see what I can do. We will see. So it's only 59 degrees. That's cold to me, especially since I'm sitting in the shaded area. I'm about to put on some ear muffs or maybe even a hat, whatever I find in there first. And then I'm going to go ahead and start working on planting some new stuff. I also bought another lettuce plant. Anyways, I'll show you guys. I'm switching out these grow bags simply because the ones that I'm moving now, these stems were shorter than the ones that I'm putting under there now. So the ones that were under like the taller raised bed with this bottom shelf, theirs were a whole lot longer, like the stems were a lot longer versus the ones that were under the raised bed without the shelf. The ones that is Zion and I planted, they of course are shorter than those ones. So I just wanted to switch those out. Now what I'm about to do is I bought another one of these Simpson black seeded Simpson lettuces, so I'm gonna plant that. And since I'm just practicing, I bought some beets, radishes, and carrots from the, where did I get these from? Dollar Tree. I know she said I could plant radishes right now. Let me know in the comments below if I can plant carrots and beets right now. So I'm gonna hold off on those because I'm not sure if I can plant those right now. But what I'm going to do is plant a lot of these, and I'm just growing stuff. I mean, I've eaten radishes before. It's not one of my go-to vegetables, but I'll give it a try. I'm gonna just work this soil real quick. Hoping that since I'm planting these radishes right into the raised bed that they actually grow. Again, I don't get that much sun on my back porch, but whatever, I'm gonna see what happens. I'm just practicing. We have been getting a lot of rain, so this soil is looking pretty good to me. And when I've had a whole bunch of comments telling me, hey, stop doing that to it. But what I remember my mother, ooh, that looks good. I mean, I didn't do it, but you know, whatever. But I remember my mom just breaking this up, so I was just trying to get the roots to do a little something, but this time I'm not going to do it too much. I'm going to go ahead and just plant that right next to its cousin, and hopefully this grows pretty. This is looking a little ugly over here, so let me cut some of this off. Yeah, it has like mold or something under it. Interesting. So you guys see that? What's happening? This is the same stuff that was on my plants over there. I'm gonna just cut off this whole section just so I know that it didn't spread. Am I doing the right thing? I don't know. We'll see. Because I don't want this to spread. So we're just gonna go ahead and get rid of that. I put it in the trash bag. And let's get rid of this. That's right there. I'm gonna take all that. Now, let me know what would be an all natural, I guess, spray, so I don't get that. Oh my God, is it on this side? I think it's on this side. Oh, don't cry, Evita, don't cry. You are learning. Like, what is going on? Is it because I didn't bury the roots? Let me go down further with this thing, because this wasn't even really in there. Maybe that's what it is. Kamate, kamate. Alright. Well, this one's smaller now. Let's hope we get something out of it. If not, it's a learning experience. Yay. Yeah, that looks... Anyways, let me know what spray I can use. Oh, sorry, spinach. Let me know what spray I can use to cut back on pests, on diseases, and so forth. Okay. I saw that my other plants, some of the leaves were turning yellow, so I decided to clip those yellow leaves off. Not sure if that was a good idea. I don't know if I'm stressing them out by cutting off those yellow leaves. I assumed that those yellow leaves meant that those leaves themselves were dying, and I was like, okay, well, I guess I might as well just go ahead and cut it off. I need to stop fussing over the plants. So what I've done lately, when I first started gardening, you guys know I was like obsessing over it, but now I don't go outside and check them that often, maybe every other day or every 2 days, and I'm not watering them that much either, except the ones that like a lot of water. That isn't any of these plants, I don't think. So again, like I said, I'm not watering them that much, nor am I bothering them too much either. So I was thinking about going back to my local garden nursery and getting another romaine lettuce, right along with another cabbage and another broccoli. And I probably need to get 2 more different spinaches, because remember, I dropped the other one and it's looking very sad. Right now, I am planting the radishes. Now, I know that radishes don't like to be moved because they are a root vegetable. So I decided to actually plant them into the raised bed directly instead of starting them in like a seed cell and putting them on a heating mat. Not sure if that's going to make a difference. Not sure if they're actually going to grow, because again, it's not super cold here in South Carolina, but it's not super hot either. And the back of my porch does not get that much sun yet. Further into the summer is when it will start getting more sun. But again, I was told that radishes basically don't like a lot of sun. You guys let me know if that was true in the comments down below. So I wanted to show you guys what this table looks like that I was talking about. So this is what I'll be doing. Usually I have the cover on it because it's still cold out here and I don't want it to rust because we get a lot of rain. But further into spring, I am going to clean this off real good. Let me show you guys what I have in there. I took all of our grilling stuff out because our complex said that no one's allowed to grill anymore. Not sure what happened, if someone burnt some stuff, but no one's allowed to grill anymore. So I just put all of my planters in there and some more gardening stuff. I found this green watering hose in there, or watering can in there, so that was cool. So I'm gonna have to clean that out once I clean all of this out. And yeah, that's about it that I have in there right now. Maybe I'll add like a shelf or 2, but we'll see. But yeah, this is what this looks like. I'm about to cover it back up and throw away everything else that I had in there. Alright, I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. I cleaned up back here. Just wanted to show you what it's looking like now. Everything looks a lot better. And it's getting a little cold. So what I am about to do is go ahead and close up this greenhouse. The wind is blowing, so I've been wanting to keep it open from now on, but the wind's blowing, so I'm gonna go ahead and close it up. Just finished cleaning up. I wanted to show you guys some of the things that I've picked up. Like I said, I just finished cleaning up all of this stuff out here. I can't sweep up under my raised bed. I thought about getting my wet vac, but I don't feel like doing all of that. So I have a whole bunch of stuff that needs to go in the trash. Usually I try to donate a lot of stuff. You know, it's just noise all around us. Hopefully it isn't too windy, but like I was saying, I usually try to donate everything, but some of this stuff is just not donatable, and I wish that I didn't have to put it in the trash, but I do have to. But anyways, you guys already know that I picked up some seeds from Dollar Tree. But what I also picked up was some seed potato from Farmers Exchange. That is the local garden nursery near me. So I didn't pick up too many different potatoes. You know what? I don't remember the name of these potatoes. I honestly don't remember the name of these potatoes. All I know is like it's purple inside. I know this one is purple inside, and I know I did pick up Yukon. I cannot remember the name of these purple potatoes. But I am gonna let them sit in the house for a little bit because this one only has one. I'm hoping to get a few of the sprout. Are they sprouts? I don't know. I'm having a brain fart right about now. I'm hoping that they get a few, and then I will plant them. Yeah, they had slim pickings. Last time I was there, it didn't click to me to grab the seeded potato, but this time those buckets were darn near empty. And I think I basically go about every weekend, because they close at 6. All right, this one has a few, so it has a few. And this one only has one. I don't know if this is too long. Is that too long? Again, I don't know how to pick, but that's all I got from them. Oh, I did get that lettuce plant that I showed you guys as well. And then the other thing I picked up was this. I have one of these already. I use them for crafting when I do scrapbooking. But I have like all of my stuff that I use for them. And I saw other people using these for their seeds. And I was like, oh, that's an excellent idea. I did. So I do still need to label them. But so far I have a lot of seeds, and I also picked up like some envelopes. So if I buy something organic from the grocery store, I will just take the seeds from them and keep the seeds. I also picked up some of these. I cannot remember the name of them, but they're cloth like planters. They're little small cloth planters. I saw someone else, I cannot remember the name of the channel, A Gardener's Journey, I think that was the name of their channel. I was like, oh, that's cool. So I picked up some of these to see what I can do with them. I probably save these more so for the summertime or like late spring for my tomatoes and peppers and other things, like more so summer plants. I did just have a giveaway where I gave away some seeds. I'm still waiting for the person to get back with me just to let me know what their address is. Hopefully by the time you guys see this, they have gotten back with me. But I gave away some onions, kale seeds, garlic seeds, or not seeds, but the garlic, I don't know, I can't think of the name of it, but I gave a few different seeds away, and I hope that they send me their mailing address as soon as possible. I do plan on having a lot of giveaways because I know I could keep these seeds for a while, but why not just give some away? So I probably have another giveaway coming up soon. So if you're interested, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to see when the next giveaway will be. I usually post it on my community tab. Simply, it won't be a video. It's just be like, hey, I'm having a seed giveaway. This is how you enter. It's very simple. What I'm about to do now is put the seeds that I just bought from the Dollar Tree into here. I just put them all into one container. So what I wanted to show you guys is what I plan on planting in the summer. I haven't started them yet, but I have some quarter tomatoes that I got from in my gardener. That's what I plan on planting this summer. Oh yeah, and I actually picked up some flowers from Dollar Tree. So the flowers I picked up are right here. Again, I still need to label all these, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with, like, how to handle these, but I picked these flowers up. Hopefully they do something this summer. Oh wait, I am supposed to plant these until, oh no, I can plant them now. Okay, that scared me a little. Alright, so I'm gonna plant those. Probably plant those soon because it said I could start planting these in March, so I'll probably start planting those soon. I also picked up some bunching onions. Not sure when I'm supposed to plant these. Am I supposed to wait until summer to plant these? Please help me out. Let me know in the comments down below. The thing on this back, this doesn't really help me. It says March through June. That's a huge gap. So I don't know exactly when I'm supposed to start planting these, and do I need to start these inside, or is it okay to just go put them directly into my raised bed? Also, I am in zone 8A in South Carolina, so I haven't planted those just yet. Now, even though I've already planted some of these pepper seeds, I just wanted to do it to see if I can grow them. I know that they're more so for the summer, but I got some Hungarian yellow wax peppers. Hopefully it's focusing. I'm trying to hide my face so it doesn't try to focus on my face. I got some big red bell peppers. I've already sent my friend some of my seeds, so some of these are open. She told me which ones that she would like, so I sent some to her, and she lives in Florida. She's so lucky. Well, I'm pretty sure they have their ups and downs with gardening too. And then these California Wonder Bell peppers I picked up as well. Again, I'm gonna have another giveaway, giving away a lot of this stuff. I just don't want to be hoarding seeds. I don't want to hoard seeds. The next one I picked up were some jalapeno peppers. So excited about all of these peppers. Now, again, let me know in the comments down below when to plant these, but I picked up some herbs. So I picked up some basil, and then I also picked up some thyme. So I am excited about those, see how that goes. Cauliflower, not sure when to start these, and I'm gonna have to do a little bit more research. So I picked up some cauliflower. Again, I'm picking up cheaper seeds just because this is my first year and I don't want to spend a lot of money on seeds. Even though in my gardener seeds were only $2 a pack, those $2 started to add up. So I just decided to get some from Dollar Tree because they're 25 cents. And then that is all that I have. I don't think I'm gonna buy anything. No, let me stop lying. I don't have any plans on buying anything else. Doesn't mean I'm not gonna buy anything else. But that is all. Yeah, that is all for this Sunday, March 10th. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to be on the lookout for a giveaway, but I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.